He doesn't want there to be a cop behind me. I went the wrong way. Alright. Of course there's a cop behind me. He turned his lights on. Alrighty.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh well. Just trying to get off the road. Over there, here. Okay. Hey, how you doing?
Doing all right. Hey, there's a new U-turn sign back there. Did you see it?
If I speak, I am in big trouble. In big trouble.
I will not lie, I did see it. I knew exactly why you pulled me over. I don't know the area, but I saw the sign. I won't lie. I'm trying to go that way. Okay. So I pulled out from the restaurant. I went, oh, I'm going the wrong way. I gotta turn around.
Motorcycle license with
Yeah. I'm Walter, by the way, but I'm sure you'll figure that out when you read this. I said, my name is Walter, by the way.
Hi, Walter. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. What's your name?
Lacey.
Lacey, nice to meet you.
All right.
Would you like my motorcycle insurance too?
No. Walter, you're very honest with me. What I'm going to do is this. Give you a warning. Good day.
Thank you.
Memorial Day, all right?
Yeah, you have a good day too.
All right. Watch some signs now.
I will. You have a good day, Lacey.
All right.
Yeah.